A popcorn stitch consists of 5 double crochets in the same stitch, which is then gathered into a popcorn stitch. So we're going to start off by making 5 double crochets into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch in the previous row, grab the yarn and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And that's your first double crochet. Now we're going to continue crocheting 4 more like these into the same stitch. Let's do a second double crochet. Let's do a third double crochet. Let's do a fourth double crochet. And now the fifth and final double crochet. Now we have what it looks like a little fan over here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to pull on the loop on our hook just like this. We're going to pull it out a little bit and we're going to remove our hook. Then we're going to count our stitches backwards to find where we need to reinsert the hook. This is our first stitch. Reinsert your hook into the 5th stitch of the fan, as well as that long loop we've made. Now we're going to tighten the yarn a little bit around our hook, and then we're going to pull the first loop, or the long one that we've just made on our hook, through our second loop on the hook. And that's it. That's our cute popcorn stitch.